How to check your race in Blox Fruits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this instructional video presentation, I'll guide you through the process of verifying your race in Blox Fruits. It's a simple and an easy process, so follow along. I'll also demonstrate on how to double-check your race status once you've initiated Blox Fruits. This verification can be done at any point during your gameplay. Additionally, I'll provide supplementary details about the various races available in the Blox Fruits. Upon launching Blox Fruits and commencing your gameplay, accessing your race information is straightforward. Simply tap on the Stats option. This menu contains the hidden feature where your race information is displayed. Look at the top left corner of the screen where you will find your designated race indicated in the white text. Remember, you can check this information at any time. Initially, most players will likely have the human race, as it holds a 62.5% chance of being assigned to your character. Other common races include the shark, angel, and rabbit, each with 12.5% probability. Furthermore, there are unique races such as cyborg, obtainable through the cyborg puzzle, and the gold, which can be acquired by purchasing it with 100 ectoplasm, and a hellfire torch through the expert. To check your race, simply access the stats menu where the information is consistently located at the top left corner of the screen, displayed options like human, shark, angel, rabbit, cyborg, and gold. Additionally, there is an option to change your race by purchasing it for 90 Robux in the product shop. This video primarily focuses on demonstrating on how to verify your race status and providing additional insights. If you wish to explore further details or alter your race, simply follow the instructions outlined. I trust that this guide has been beneficial to you. If it has been, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.